Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So get ready for this because it's about to be crazy on tomorrow, in my opinion, guys. So we know the market has been hit hard already, previous to what happened on yesterday and the day before, being for the fact that Snapchat fell significantly from $22 all the way to 15 bucks, $7, $8 on the share price, and after hours on yesterday, which caused in return for the market and tech stocks to fall even harder after they already been hit by 50% from their highs in 2021, guys. So it's been insane. It's been crazy. It's been wild. And only thing I can say is I hope people have cash available on the side because opportunity is everywhere right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on, guys. Why I believe a bullish turnaround is coming for the market, and also, a few stocks that we want you guys to put on your watch list to be eyeing and watching. And like I always say, just because we mention stocks and talk about them, that don't mean go off and try to buy them and all that. Make sure they fit your criteria and check off all your check boxes, and then do your research behind them and see if you want to get in them or not. So guys, like we brought to you guys' attention on the earliest today's video about the fact that inflation have may been a lot lower than everyone in the Feds may think. If we look at inflation data on a month-to-month basis, it has signaled that from March to April, inflation has dropped significantly, almost 50%, guys, to 4.1%, from over 50% from 8.5%. And if we was to do that year to year, analysts had expected for inflation to come in at around 8.1%. We hit a peak of 8.5%. We came in at 8.3%. But if we do the new data that they overlooked, it came in at 7.9%, which would then put us great, beating in analyst expectations, which would then in return would have sent the market going into a bullish sentiment, being for the fact they think, inflation has came down significantly, and in return, the stocks would have started to soar a bit. Even if it didn't sustain itself, we would have got, we wouldn't have been bleeding out probably as bad as we started to bleed out, guys. So it is what it is, though. I'm not complaining, guys, because like I say, you'll get used to taking L's in the market because the L's is only going to make you smarter, tougher, and also cherish the gains and everything else, more. You're going to just appreciate. You're going to appreciate everything, guys. So you already know, pay your market tuition, get through it, and just make it, let it turn you into a beast. So let's go ahead and take a look at this, guys. So we know AMC ended at $10.55, down over 10% on the day. We had a little traction after hours. We came down to that 10.37. That was a key level. If we go back on May 11th, that's exactly what AMC came down to as well. After, we came down to $9.70, but on the chart, it's showing that $10.37 because that was a quick dip to $9.70, and we quickly got back to the tens. So, guys, going into tomorrow, we could see the market coming down early in the morning. Probably want to panic, try to shake the tree, make it seem as if it's about to be even more terrible. Boom, market makers want to take out some stop losses and then rip the market up, guys, right around 10 o'clock. Going into lunchtime, might see another dip, a lot of choppiness and volatility going towards power hour. Nice spike to the upside, guys. That's what I believe will happen on tomorrow, guys, especially being for the fact that the S&P try to have a nice little turnaround towards after hours, going into after hours, and also this right here with the inflation CPI inflation data report. If that come out to be true, and they overlook that, that could be also a major factor that goes into play or with the overall market, because it's not just one factor. There's multiple things that go into play on why what's going on right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at these, guys. Got a few stocks for you guys, put them on your watch list that I'm gonna be looking at on tomorrow, because these are some stocks that could take off very, very quickly. I'm talking big gains. So you already know, number one, a lot of people, however you feel, I'm just sharing it with you. You do your own research. But Snapchat got hit hard, guys. But I see Snapchat coming down to the $9, $10 range. But I know a lot of people is, trying to buy up Snap at these prices. So being for the fact it could possibly not reach that level. But I do see Snap coming down to that $9-10 range. That's why I really want to buy it. But I'm gonna start chipping in, easing in now. Just letting you guys know what I'm doing. Even though I shouldn't. I should wait. You get what I'm saying? I'm just being clear. I just don't want to miss Snap. I believe, I told you guys I supposed to got in at $5 5 years ago and sold off in the 50s, 60s. The next banger, guys, will be Upstart. Upstart, we made, good money, about $5,000 on Upstart on last week. So check Upstart out. Next banger will be Coinbase, guys. As Bitcoin, bottom out, starts to turn around, you're going to see Coinbase do good as well. But even if not, if it stay consolidating and the overall market turn around, Coinbase going to turn with it. So the next banger is Roblox. You definitely want to look at Roblox. Roblox going to be a big mover as well. And that's all the ones I got for you guys as of now. And of course, AMC. You already know to be watching AMC, because that's supposed to be everybody money maker during these times. But anyways, guys, you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love you. We out, and God bless you. We go.